Why does she keep facing her butt at me? I don't want to record her butt.
The life of Tiny.
The life of Tiny. So interesting. I'm gonna record this one.
So cute.
I want to cuddle with that one.
He wants Tiny. Tiny's not with it.
He's not with it at all.
She's like, no.
Yeah, no.
That's funny. Okay, that's fine. Oh, no, the other card.
Because I asked Jacob and...
First of all, Tiny, you have all the space and you want to be near the gate.
Me? Where's the tiny one? There's a really, really tiny one. Where is that? Oh, he's back. He's back.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, see?
Mm-hmm.
She don't like that. She don't like that.
Like,
She's so mad right now. Oh my
say
God.
cheese, Tiny. She's like crying.
She's mad. She don't like that.
Leave her alone.
Just see that baby dog.
There's another dog. Good job. Wait.
Where'd it go? Oh. Oh.
Where'd you go? Oh.
That dog is so cute. So how do you like it? How do you like the other dogs? Oh, look at that doggy right there. Oh. Be nice, Tiny.
Gotta be nice. It's a tiny dog. You're a bigger dog than that one is.
He's back.
Oh my God.
That dog about to be out. Don't come near me. That's right, Tiny. You tell him off. That's how you do it, girl. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other pussies can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in her face, she gets brown. Oh, that's nasty. Oh. She has all this to herself, right? All this. But she wants to be here. Go. She found Uh-oh, there's another doggy coming. She's looking for Ashley. Where's Ashley? I'm done. She's like, where is she? Uh-oh. Dang, I can't see it. Oh.
Bree's trying to make a run back to the car. Oh, look at that! Who's walking who? We're at the dog park. My lip is swollen because there was a little dog. That was a little pervert.
A little pervert dog.
And he was trying to get at Tiny, but Tiny wasn't with it, so she kept trying to bite him. So I tried to, like, you know, stop her from biting him because I didn't feel like hearing the owner's mouth because the owner
did not care.
So I was like trying to keep her from there, and she like scratched my lip. So that happened, but yeah.
As you can see.
That, like, dog, the owner's dog was such, like, the dog was a pervert, the owner was probably a pervert, like,
honestly,
because
he looked like he was.
Yeah, like, he would not stop his dog. Now, he was like, oh, like, Tiny and his dog and Tiny should, like, have puppies and, like, have babies, and I'm like, Tiny's too old for that, like, she can't.
And he's like, oh, so?
Yeah, I'm like... Now he was like, he hasn't had a girl since he was 1 year old. I'm like,
alright, well, that's his business.
Yeah. So that dog was trying to get at everybody, every dog. Yeah. Oh my god. This is Tiny's first, like, official day in dog park. The first real day was when I came with Chelsea, and we were only here for 5 minutes because there was a creep at the front of the dog park, and he was just standing there. He had no dog, no one there that he knew. Like, he was just there, like, watching us with Tiny and another guy, and the other guy, like, warned us about him, and then he distracted him while me and Chelsea went to the car, so that was nice. But yeah, I'm starting not to like this dog park, and it's only been 2 times, and this thing is new. Like, it just opened.
Tiny, you bought all in my face right now.
Cause she stickums. But yeah,
that was it.
the dog park's nice because Tiny likes it. I mean, she likes being out, but it wasn't nice because of the people, I guess, and dogs.
Bump that guy.
You can't be sitting on my lap while I'm driving.
Hi.
Get her.